All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Wednesday adjective. The future. Future. Talking about things not yet happened. I will do that in the future. These are my future plans. Yeah. How cool is that? The stuff that is designed or intended to happen later. These are the future plans. We each have different future plans. Yes. My future desires. What are your future goals? Your future goals. How cool is that? See, I know my future goals. He needs to figure out his future plans. She will work more in the future. Okay. They will change a lot in the future. Okay, it is his future. It is our future. It could be our future together. Together. How cool is that? Yeah. Very good. Very good. How cool is that? So, we thought that his future projects would have worked by now. Yeah, I was confident that his future would be busy, productive, good. Let's say that. It is a future-proof plan. Yeah, future-proof plan. Those businesses need to be future-proofed. Future-proofed, so things can work out. Yeah. How cool is that? We have a lot of hope for the future of the company, yeah. We're building a lot of future plans, ideas, projects. Yeah, projects. Projects, let's have that then. Projects. Things for the future. Things for the future. How cool is that? Yeah. So what will happen in his future? Well, his future is unknown. Yeah. His future is unknown, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So future. Yeah. Talk about things not yet happened. How cool is that? So can you use future in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. Yeah. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.